Hello, Tayo! Click here to subscribe! Tayo Tayo! Tayo Tayo! Whoa!
ฮะ ฮะ ฮะ
Let's learn what tour bus C2 does.
This is hard.
Lonnie,
C2!
you're going to help me today, right?
Yes, but I don't know all the roads yet.
Don't worry too much. You can learn on the way.
Okay, C2.
I'm so tired.
Welcome. I'm C2, the Seoul City Tour Bus.
Hi, I'm Lonnie.
Seoul's so complicated. I'm always getting lost.
Oh no, looks like you had trouble getting around.
I want to go to the Gyeongbok Palace and the Seoul End Tower, but they're so difficult to get to.
Don't worry, I'll take you there.
Wow, thank you.
This is the Han River.
Wow, that's a huge river.
It means Big River, and it flows all the way through Seoul. There are 31 bridges crossing the river.
31? Wow, that's amazing.
We're now arrived at Gyeongbok Palace.
Oh, what exactly is this place? Lonnie, could you explain?
It's where the king used to live.
You're right, it's where the king of Chosun used to live. The main entrance Gwanghwamun, the main throne hall Gunjeongjeon, the king's bedroom Gangyeongjeon, and the queen's bedroom Gyeotaejeon form a straight line. The building in the middle of the man-made lake is Gyeonghiru, the royal banquet hall.
That's a little difficult, but thanks anyway for the explanation. Wow, I saw this in a photo.
The End Seoul Tower is Seoul's most famous landmark. Make sure to take the cable car to the observatory when you visit.
Yeah, the view must be awesome from up there.
What is a tank doing here?
This is the War Memorial. It was built to commemorate the tragedy that was the Korean War.
Oh, I see.
Let's take a moment of silence for the fallen. We'll take a short break here.
Woo! Time for lunch.
Wow, look at the fireworks.
Wow, fantastic.
We're in luck. Today's the only day of the year that they have fireworks here.
They're beautiful.
Huh? This is my hotel?
And that's a wrap on the tour. Thank you for using the Seoul City Tour Bus.
Have a good night.
Thanks. I had a great time thanks to you guys. Bye.
Bye. Lonnie, good job today.
That was so much fun. You get to do it again tomorrow, right? Lucky.
Lonnie, being a tour bus is hard work.
Let me do it instead then.
Sorry, but I'm not sure I can trust you just yet.
Please. I'll be good, I promise. Today, we're going to meet a city tour bus. That's what C2 is. City tour buses help tourists tour the city with comfort and ease. They're especially helpful when visiting unfamiliar places where you don't know the language. And it isn't every day that you get to ride a double-decker bus. So make sure to get on a city tour bus next time you're on holiday.
Let's learn about what Titipo the passenger train does.
Wow! Look at all these people at the station. I want to get on the train quick.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Titipo, the little train.
Huh? Titipo!
Hi. Hi, Duty. Where are you headed?
I'm going to my grandma's. I can't wait to get on the train.
All right, then. Off we go.
Wow! We're going too fast. Cool!
Huh? That's Tayo. Hi, Tayo. Huh? Titipo. Hi.
Tayo! Huh? We passed him. I wanted to say hi to Tayo too.
I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do. Us trains have to maintain our speed.
Hey, Duty! You have your ticket, right? Yup, of course.
Show it to the conductor when he comes by.
I have to change tracks if I want to go south.
Station master, this is Titipo. I need to change tracks, please.
Wow, how did you do that?
The control center nearby switched the tracks for me. Thank you, station master.
Bye, Titipo.
Titipo, I need to pee. How much longer until we arrive? Don't worry. There's a restroom on board. Off you go.
That was close.
You know, Duty, trains have restrooms and a carriage where they sell food and drinks. Go pay it a visit when you get hungry.
Really? I'm getting hungry. Wow, look at the bridge. It's beautiful.
We're going into a tunnel now.
It's dark.
We'll arrive at your grandmother's in no time, once we get through this tunnel.
Wow, we're in the countryside. It's my grandma's village.
It's so pretty. Look at all those trees.
Yeah, look at all the animals.
We've arrived. Have fun at your grandma's, Duty.
Thanks, Titipo. I had a great time. Huh? It's my grandma's puppy. Did you come to get me? Titipo, you're going to take me home too, right?
Of course. Remember to reserve a ticket.
Got it. Bye, Titipo.
Bye. Today, we're going to learn about Titipo the little train. Trains like Titipo that transport passengers are called passenger trains. Trains arrive at their destination
at a designated time and only stop at train stations. Unlike cars that are forced to go slowly in traffic jams, trains can travel quickly since they have a track all to themselves. Locomotives that carry just the engine. Passenger trains that have carriages for passengers. And freight trains that carry cargo. But since all trains are designed to pull different loads, I think Titipo should just stick to carrying passengers. So, I'll see you next time!
Let's learn about speed the race car does.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm reporting live from the racetrack. All the vehicles participating in today's race have gathered together. And there's Speed and Shine, the two front-runners of the group.
I had a top-of-the-line engine and tires put in for this race. Ha! You and me both. The trophy's mine.
Hannah, what are Speed and Shine doing? They're going to wear down their tires before the race even starts.
They're just getting their tires warmed up. Hot tires make it easier for cars to go faster.
Oh, it's kind of like they're warming up.
And it looks like the race is about to start any second now. 3, 2, 1, and they're off! Whoa! Speed and Shine begin to take over the other cars one by one. Speed and Shine pull up to the head of the group. There's no stopping these guys. That's the first lap.
Wow, they're really fast.
Go Shine, go Speed! Give it all you've got!
Shine, you seem faster than before. You're not doing too bad either.
The first vehicle to finish 5 laps will win the race. That's 3 out of 5 laps. And Speed takes the lead by an inch.
I'd better change my tires before they explode.
Tires wear down quickly during a race, so they have to be changed in the middle of the race.
Done. Get out of here, Speed. Thanks.
And Shine catches up and takes the lead. There's only 1 lap left. But it looks like Shine hasn't changed his tires yet.
Shine, you should change your tires. You're gonna get hurt. It's fine. There's only 1 lap left anyway. My tires burst.
It looks like Shine's tires burst. He pulls into the pit 1 step too late. And Speed takes the lead.
I told you should change your tires. Woohoo! Huh? What?
Whoa! Shine! Where did he come from?
These new tires have made me even faster. Stop right there! Haha! Catch me if you can. The trophy's mine! Yeah! No!
Both of them have crossed the finish line. It looks like they came in at almost the same time.
I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
We're going to have to check the tapes to see who won. And it looks like Speed came in first by a fraction of a second. And the winner of the race is Speed!
Woohoo! I did it!
Today, we're going to learn about Speed, the race car. Speed's job is to be the fastest car on the road. Race cars compete in races on special racetracks. They race around the track to determine who is the fastest of them all. A certain amount of modifications are allowed to be made to the vehicles to make them faster. Car racing is an internationally popular sport, and Formula 1 cars can reach speeds of more than 300 kilometers per hour. What a thrill! Well, I'll see you next time.